See? Ooh.
Snow everywhere.
Oh my god, it's looking so pure, so white. I'm falling in love with the snow. Amazing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mera Lookbook. And as you can already see that the snowfall happening. I was waiting for the snowfall from last year and finally it happened. Oh my god, it's so awesome. I'm loving it. So guys, just enjoy the snowfall with me. Let's go. See guys, this is our backyard and it's full of snow. Oh, I'm not even able to walk. What are you doing? Snowman! These chairs are also full of snow. See, heavy wind. Jump in the snowfall! Anybody wants to have snow muffin? It's ready here, fresh. So guys, I'm doing a snow challenge here. Let me know who can do this. Now let me show you the beautiful view near our house. I am loving it. Isn't it super bright? Everything looks just white. You know what? It was the heaviest snowfall in past 10 years and not every year snowfall happens in Netherlands. So this year I was lucky enough to experience this snowfall. This is my first snowfall experience and I'm enjoying it. And you know, I was so surprised to see that it was not just me, but also a lot of others were roaming outside in this heavy snowfall. You can see that here, even during heavy snowstorm, people are riding their bike and they are not scared of slipping or falling. And look at these kids, they're having so much fun. That's what I love about Holland. Here, people never stop. They enjoy their life the best. So till now I showed you the experience during snowfall. Now see this view, how it looks 2-3 days after the snowfall. It looks a little dirty on roadside, but still it's so much fun. I would say it was the best experience to see these frozen canals. These canals used to be full of water and now they are totally frozen. It's that much solid that people can even do skating. I would say that people are enjoying even more after the snowfall. I wish I could also do skating, but my bad, I don't know skating. That's it for now. Let me know in comments below what you like the best about the snowfall. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you next weekend. Till then, bye bye.